And over here, we got a bunch of air conditioners. Let me check this out here. And don't see nothing. And over here, that's Alice's air conditioner, Alice's mom air conditioners. And there's a lot of one here. And we actually got this carrier running. Sounds like it. Sounds like a carrier, but it's not. And over here, oh yeah, I better go in before the thunder starts up. Oh no. So yeah, over here, this one, I seen a GOODMAN yesterday, but here's the RHEEM. Looks like the RHEEM 10, which is 3 fan blades, the one I caught last time. So that is a RHEEM here, and here's another RHEEM Achiever that's been running. And a GOODMAN, I think it's got its rotary compressor. Oh my goodness. Looks like they got replaced by it. I don't know. Comfort maker, I think. And over here, there's Spanish people. They used to speak Spanish. Here's a GOODMAN unit with a rotary again. And this one, can't tell what air conditioning is back there in the backyard. And over here, no, it's not that. Oh, here's a GOODMAN. Yeah, there it is. And over here, and I don't think the AC unit is running AC. This one, here's a RHEEM. I think it's running. And over here, here's an ICP to drive by. And I don't see the other air conditioner. Looks like their house is abandoned. And over here is an ICP, which is a comfort maker. And yeah, oh yeah, it's been running. It's a compressor. And over here is a new house, like Tesla. And here's a Mana. It's not been running. It's over there. I think they moved out of here. And here's a GOODMAN here, which is way over there. Yeah, it's the GOODMAN. And I probably seems like this is a EVCON unit, which is a Bristol, I think. And over here, here's a GOODMAN. All right, guys, it's gonna be over and out. Peace out, folks.